my God. Look at the view. Sobrang ganda. It's like a paradise. Look here, this way. Oh my God. Look here and ikat mo. Like sobrang ganda. Oh my God.
So ayun na nga, tapos na akong maglinis ng bahay kaya mag-voice over na naman tayo. So itong napuntahan namin no, hindi pa ito yung mas the best. Maraming lugar dito na mas sobrang ganda talaga guys, pero mas ma-appreciate nyo pag andito kayo. Kasi pag sa video or picture, hindi masyado. Parang, okay, that's the view, that's it. Pero pag in real, nandito kayo, like, sobrang amazing. Sobrang ganda. Like, yung ambience niya, yung amoy, yung feeling. Like, iba talaga siya. So, akala ko noon, pag pupunta ako ng Switzerland or makapunta ako ng Switzerland, malilibot ko na lahat or mapuntahan ko yung mga gusto ko. Yung nakikita ko sa mga pictures, sa video, like, sobrang amazing, diba? Pero take note, ang Switzerland is totoo. Pang rich people siya, pang mayaman lang talaga siya. Guys, sobrang mahal mag-travel dito. Like, sasakay ka lang ng cable car, bus, train. Mahal ang ticket niya, hindi basta-basta. Kaya kung may pera ka, mayaman ka, perfect to para sa itong country na to. Pero kung alang-alang ra ka guys, like, my God, mas okay pa nga kami kasi may car kami. Paano na lang kaya yung mga walang car, no? And mahal ang gasolina dito. God, nakakatakot ang gasolina dito. Pero worth it lahat ng gagastusin mo kasi sa sobrang ganda ng mga place dito. Like, kahit ako, gustong-gusto kong makapunta sa mga tourist spots dito. Pero, my God, bus, pinakababa, depende pa yan sa kung gaano kalayo, 700 yung pamasahe, no? Imagine mo, bus natin dyan sa Pilipinas, like magbabayad ka lang 20 plus or I don't know how much exactly. Here, pinakamababa, like 700. So, dyan yung makikita yung mga price ng mga ticket dito, guys, like sobrang mahal. Oh my God. And then you need to buy one way and back and forth. Like, you really need money if you really want to travel here in Switzerland. Like, hindi basta-basta guys. Pero, ang masasabi ko sa inyo, worth it talaga sa feeling like para kang nasa paradise nagpalutang-lutang sa. So ito yung literal na pag sinasabi mo na gusto ko hanapin yung sarili ko. Zay, dito mo mahanap ang sarili mo, Zay. Like you can really have peace. Peace of your mind and your life. Ganon. So ano pang inaantay mo? Come here na, Charis. Dito ko talaga nasabi na, yes, confirm. Ang Switzerland is napaka-beautiful country talaga niya. Like, very nature talaga. Sobrang amazing. Which is, ito nga puntahan namin dito ngayon. Hindi pa ito yung mas talagang the best. Which is, napadpad lang kami dito. Nagpapadrive-drive lang kami. Kasi galing kami dun sa medyo a little city. Kasi nga festival dito. But, you know, pumunta kami dito sa very nature. Dahil ang parents ni Stefano, they like nature. Like not much people, they don't like much crowded. So, which is here, it's perfect. At isa pa, alam nyo ba na sobrang mahal ang pagkain dito. Like restaurant, sobrang pricey niya. And then, guys, kagimbal-gimbal ang presyo dito, no? Hindi basta-basta, no? Baka inaakala mo mga 300, 400, 600. No. That's very wrong. Mahal talaga siya. Like simple coffee, like expensive talaga siya. Imagine mo, pag nag-order ako dyan sa Jollibee o sa McDonald's, let's say McDonald's, like 300 lang dito, Coke, French fries na maliit, and then burger, guys, 600 to 700, ha? So, how much more pag nasa restaurant ka, like, tapos nasa mga tourist spots ka? No, grabe talaga, Zay. So, ang ginagawa namin is, pag makadaan kami ng supermarket, like, basta parang kung saan kami bumibili ng fresh bread and then bibili kami niyan, kakain kami sa car and then pag naggala-gala kami, hindi na kami bumibili, no? Kasi, kami ang pinakamahirap dito sa totoo lang, Zay. Parang nga kami nag-downgrade pagdating namin dito, parang feeling ko ganun talaga. So nakita niyo, parang buang diri sa sobra, jud kalipay nako sa sobrang tuwa ako talaga. Sabi ko, oh my God, super, very, very, very nice. So, ang ginagawa, ayun na nga, ang ginagawa namin is bumibili na kami pagkain, kumakain kami sa sakyan, and then drinks, tubig, and then magdala na kami niyan para hindi na kami bibili sa kung saan kami maglakad-lakad, no? Or kakain na kami sa bahay bago kami aalis para makatipid kami, like super tipid na, diba? So, yun talaga yung ginagawa namin. So, guys, when I was there, I cannot explain how I feel. Like, that place is really gorgeous. Gorgeous? Basta sobrang, oh my God, sabi ko talaga, this is so perfect, guys. Like, the smell, sobrang bango. The only thing I hate the smell is the smell of the cow. Like, super babaho. Like, my God, my nose is really sensitive. And I hate the smell of the goats. What else? Lamb, like tupa. Something like that. And then, that's it. But the rest is like, smells like nature. You know, the feeling like from the crowded country, noisy. Sometimes it's really smelly there. You know how it is, Philippines, you know. So here, it's really all worth it, guys. My God, I'm so happy. Happy, di ba? Like, mura na lang jud kog tala-tala diri no, gitan-aw na jud ko sa mga ugangan kinausap ni bayhana mura pa ignorante no. Like, I'm so happy, like overwhelmed, something like that. Like, ano ba na, gikuan ko nila, gibuyag ko nila nga, mag-jacket ka, like, oh my God, yes, I don't have jacket in this video, but I just take it off for the video, but after that, I wore again, and then, you know, for video and pictures only. And then sabi nila, baka magkasakit ka after, and then sabi ko, no, that's for the video na lang. So, di ba, mura kong katong ignorante nga, karon pa na, padpad diri sa ilahang
This is the one.
sa ilahang amazing place talaga. It's so pretty, isn't it right? Like super duper, like the ambience, like Mother Nature is here I come. Oh my God. As in, ang camera girl ko, of course, si Jasmine, she's really good, and she told me like, Mama, let's I will take a video of you, and then of course, because most of the time she's so lazy to take a picture and video, and then I grabbed the chance, and you know, Stefano and Jasmine, they don't really good when it comes to taking pictures and video. I hate them when they take a picture, so they need to take a lot, so then you can have a good one, or you know, I want the best of the best pictures, but nah, they don't really good on it. So my dream is to experience on that cable car, but oh God, the price is really expensive and we cannot afford it yet now, as of now, but maybe soon, I hope one day. So that's the place. So yeah, we're on the way home on this video. So, but yeah, sabi ko kay Stefano, gusto ko mag-picture. And then sabi niya, hindi na matatapos kasi sa dami na. So that's it for now. Bye.